Speaking of Scalia, his dissent today in the Defense of Marriage Act ruling is breathtaking. In his view, what's happened here, the Supreme Court has now demonized opponents, or proponents rather, the supporters of traditional marriage, as it has been understood for thousands of years. The Supreme Court majority, in its ruling, actually uses language that insults and demonizes the people who support marriage as it's been since the beginning of time. Now, if you ever had any doubt that the left is intolerant and fully invested in the low art of personal destruction through smear tactics, just read Scalia's dissent in United States versus Wade. In this dissent, he quotes the majority and illustrates how they smear. In the Supreme Court ruling, smear supporters of traditional marriage as a means of justifying their opinion. What Scalia says is that the majority in the DOMA case, in order to arrive at their decision, actually says that the supporters of traditional marriage and what they name call, that there's no legal reasoning here, or very little. Scalia says the majority has arrived at its point of view because the opponents of homosexual marriage are reprobates and bigots. It's disgusting. It demeans the Supreme Court, and it's turned the Supreme Court into nothing different from any venue in this country where people argue. And it proves that we are up against people who don't give a damn about the rule of law or about basic decency or about decorum. I have often said that what animates people on the left, what motivates them, what informs them, is defeating us, no matter how, no matter what it means. That their hatred for us overwhelms anything else. And no matter the result, victory that includes impugning and demeaning and insulting us is what they seek. It's what makes them happy.